Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable background apps on Windows. So let's get started. Now Windows doesn't really have a straightforward option of disabling the background apps. It has moved things around, but I'm going to tell you a turnaround way to achieve that result. So first of all, you gotta click on Control, Shift, and Escape all together, and it will open the Task Manager right in front of you. If these keys combination doesn't work for you, you gotta go to the search bar and type in Task Manager, and you'll be able to see a window like this. So you're gonna click on Processes here from the left side, and as you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of apps. So scroll down and you'll be able to see Background Processes. So if any app that you don't want running in the background, you got to click on that and then click on End Task at the top right, and you can continue doing so for all of the apps you want. And just like that is how you can disable background apps on Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.